everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today I am so excited because I'm going to be starting my Halloween look. So for the next 6 weeks I'm going to be doing a different Halloween look, and I know it is the end of September, I realize that, but as I was scrolling through Instagram and Pinterest, I came across a bunch of looks that I really liked and I really wanted to create. So that's why there's 6 of them, and that's why we're kind of beginning in September. Okay, just roll with it. All right, so we are going to start this video off with doing kind of a Frozen inspired type of look. It is going to be a half face with a snowman kind of coming out on this side, and then the other half of my face is normal. And as you can see, I already did this side of my face, so this is done. We don't need to see that. We know how I put on makeup. It's okay. So we're going to go to this side of the face, and what I'm going to start with now is I'm going to draw a line of how I want this to look, because I kind of want it melting into this side of the face, and in order to do that I have to draw some of that on. So I'm going to go ahead and get that drawn on, and then we are going to take this Marin cream blend stick in white, and we're going to use that to blend in the white. I'm taking a NYX white pencil to draw what I need drawn on. Okay, now that we got that part done, we're going to fill in the rest with the white. Okay, now I'm going to start with the blue makeup around the eye, and then we're going to kind of contour with some bluish makeup, and the palette I'm going to use to create that is this one. This is new by BH Cosmetics. It's the Sweet Shot Bubblegum palette, and this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. I love it. And now I'm going to take this blue eyeliner. I'm going to go along my waterline with it. Okay, so now what we're going to do, since we got the eyeshadow down pat, I think I like the way it looks, and I'm going to stop messing with it. I'm going to just go ahead and get some lashes on and some mascara, and then we will continue with the contouring of the look. Alright, so my camera paused there for a second, and I'm not quite sure where I left off. I was starting with some contouring and whatnot, but I do have my lashes on now, so we are going to begin with the contouring of the face. And it's just like if you are bronzing or contouring, I'm going to be doing it with blue shadow instead of your normal bronzer or whatnot.
Or
Camera stopped again. I don't know why the camera keeps stopping, but I don't know if I mentioned that I was going to fill in my eyebrow, but I just did. So the eyebrow is filled in, and now we're going to move on to shading some of the areas here to give them a little bit more definition, and I'm just going to use like a dark shadow to do that. Now we're going to do a little bit of face painting, and we're going to put a little carrot nose on my nose, and I'm going to be using my Marin Paradise face paint, which looks like that. We're going to go into this orange. Now this is water activated paint, so all I have to do is take my little paintbrush, dip it in some water, swirl it around, and the paint is activated, and I can go ahead and apply it to my face. Now that we have our little carrot nose on, we're going to take another paintbrush and just kind of outline it in black and add some little lines to it to make it look a little bit more carrot-like. Now we're going to draw on some little coals. We're going to do like 3 round circles going up our face. There you go, we have some coals coming out of our face a little bit. Now what we're gonna do is take our little brush with the eyeshadow and kind of add a little bit of shadowing to those holes. Now we're gonna line our lips with a nude lipstick or nude lip liner and fill it in with a nudish lipstick. I'm just gonna add one more tiny little detail. I'm going to put a little like snowflake right above my cheek here. Alright, I'm going to pop on a hat and we're going to look at the final look. This is the final look and I absolutely love it. I'm so glad. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks great and it is very close to the original picture that I had off of Instagram. So I was really excited that I was able to recreate this. This was so much fun to do. Remember, there are many more weeks of fun little Halloween looks to come. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much and I'll see you again soon. Bye!